Welcome back to Camper Cooking. Today we're going to do smoked chicken thighs. This is a recipe that actually came to us from Stephen Reisland out of his Project Smoke books. Always give credit where credit is due. I changed it just a little bit, but mostly it's recipe. And so we're going to get to that. I'm going to start with these boneless chicken thighs I got at the store. Spread it out openly like this. I'm going to salt it first. Use some coarse sea salt. And some ground black pepper. I'm going to use half a tablespoon of mustard and half a tablespoon of barbecue sauce. I'm going to spread that out over the inside of the thigh. I had about half a pound of smoked ham. I have 8 chicken thighs, so I'm putting 1/8 of a pound of it in the middle of each one. And then I had half a pound of sharp cheddar cheese. It was a block, and I just cut it into 8 even pieces and put that on the chicken thigh like that. And I'm just going to roll it up closed, like so. Excuse me. The next step is to salt and pepper the outsides of the chicken again. Make sure you get on all sides. Okay. The next step is to wrap this in bacon. So I take one strip and I put it on the cutting board, lay the piece of chicken on it, start rolling it up. Okay. Then I take a second piece and I wrap it perpendicular to the first. Get that piece of ham back up in there, huh? Well, you can see that's fairly loose fitting, so we're going to tie this up so it'll stay together on the in the smoker. So we use a piece of butcher string. We'll take it and wrap it around a couple of times, turn it over and hold it, wrap it around the other way a couple of times, and just tie it up. Alright, there we are, ready to go.
Yeah.
So we're going to load the smoker. We're at 275 degrees. It takes about an hour and a half, or about 175 degrees with an internal meat thermometer. Woo! They look nice. There.
Check out our other recipes and playlists, and we'll see you next time for Second Helpings.